The government and the opposition are urging manufacturers to resist from price increases in light of the threat of the new coronavirus. The National Compliance Regulatory Authority and the Consumer Affairs Commission have been directed to increase their visits to supermarkets as well as the frequency of reports to consumers. Yesterday, Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Floyd Green, met with industry stakeholders to ascertain concerns and to discuss strategies to safeguard businesses against the virus. Meanwhile, opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Morris Guy, is also concerned about the price increases.
This, we feel, is not part of the national effort that should be done, because at this time we are concerned that there are some who are capitalizing on the potential for illness of our Jamaican people, and we are asking that they desist from doing this. In this possible pandemic, in this epidemic, we are asking that all hands are on deck and that we protect the interests and the health and the wellness of the Jamaican people.